I am Father Pradeep Valatrumalil. I am the chairman of Radio MacFest 90.4. MacFest is our campus. It's a campus community radio. MacFest stands for Mar Athanasius College for Advanced Studies. The first letters that has been taken, so it comes MacFest. So it is a community radio that is attached to the campus. It started in 2009, so 2 years are over. Um, First, it was radio was not heard at that time because for that place, even though it is not a village, it's a city. But people don't have that character of hearing radio. They were always into TV. Only radio they have heard is All India Radio. So it was a first step. We were actually a trendsetter in that way. We started that, and after that, a lot of people have been associating with that, and now we have 16 hours program. Morning started from 5:30 to 10:30 in the night. We have almost 6 hours live program and almost 52 recorded programs we have. Programs ranging from health, education, social empowerment, all other issues, what all issues that according to me, I think each community radio's character should be different. Because it should be according to the context, because each community radio situates in a particular context. We cannot say there is a common platform for all the radio, or we cannot have a common basic framework for all the radio, because it depends on each need. And I am situated, our radio is situated in Tiruvalla. It's almost becoming a city where we have all stations. I mean, we don't have a community radio as such, but people have all access to all technology, and we have tight competition from all the local media, the TV and so on. So we need to be so professional in that line also. So our program should cater to those people who really want to get entertained, get informed, all those things. For example, if I could say, if they switch on our radio and they could hear the old music of All India Radio, they will immediately switch off, because they think, oh, it's like All India Radio. But it should be very modernized. In the sense, we don't say it's always entertainment, but we have to have a balance of this entertainment plus education, health, and so on. We are fortunate in that all sections of the people have contributed to the radio. Especially we have school clubs, radio clubs we have almost 25 schools in Tiruvalla itself. So almost we have all school clubs there. So the students form their own club, radio club in the school. They come to the radio for program. They have their own program. One thing is that we are getting advertisements because it's a city, and most of them it's a consumer area, because a lot of people are having access to the market. A lot of shops are there, so we have, but no, we are it's very restricted. We sustained in that way. We get advertisement. Surely, every year we will come out with some new initiative, really in line of keeping awareness and social participation, and also it's really we are creating a community. Because in a village, in a city and so on, very difficult to get community. Even though we say we have millions of mobiles, but even real relations are really lacking. And so in radio, we are able to connect people. Every day they know who is calling, and they know by their name, and they create a family. So that's why I think that we are really focusing on the real purpose of radio. So we'll be coming out with new initiatives like this. Every year we have come out with a unique initiative, one or two initiatives. The first year it was our two programs, that is Hridaya Spandanam, that is free heart surgery for 50 poor people. So we done it with the Pushpagiri Medical College Heart Institute. They also we contributed. So in that we have almost completed 9 heart surgeries, free heart surgeries. It has all been mobilized by the radio. People have donated to the radio, especially for this purpose. And actually it costs 1.25 lakhs per surgery. We are contributing 50, and the other 50 is contributed by the hospital. So actually we are saving a life, because those people who are really poor, they don't have any option of other than dying. Because a heart problem, then we need to have surgery. So in that case, we would able to help 9 patients. So that program is still running. The second program was Clean and Green Tiruvalla. The major problem of our city is now cleanliness. We all started taking the waste and putting into the main roads and all those things. And we thought of the best thing we have to make aware. So we have started awareness programs for clean and green. We done it through Tiruvalla municipality. We have a collaborative project. We went to different schools, we were different housing colonies, and we educated them what we have to do. What is the process of solid? Now this waste is a different problem now, difficult problem because we don't have a place. People want to throw somewhere, especially the plastics and so on. So we have created a mass awareness, and a lot of activities have been done in this way. We have live programs on radio where people can share their experience. What there's a problems with cleanliness. They don't have access to good water. Even though it's a city, it's a real problem that's coming up. So those are two programs that were going on. The third, this year we have come out with a new initiative that is war against drugs. You know, drugs is a real problem with especially the youth. So our one good thing is that all the students are there, and students are really taking this. Our students are really taking out this initiative. They are going to different colleges. They present themselves and say, "No, you have to come out of this drugs." A lot of awareness campaigns have been done in the radio. People talk, and you can give all this. Because most of the time awareness is the basic thing, and that should be the focus where communities radio should be focusing on. How we can create real awareness. Most of the things people don't know. What are the ill effects of taking drugs, smoking or drinking or pan masalas. So this year we have come out with this great initiative, and a lot of response have been taken from this. So for us, when I hear the activities programs here, most of the radios, most of them come from a village, and they have to have programs for them. But for us, most of the listeners are not from a religious background. There are farmers, but we have programs for farmers. We have programs for this one, but we have to have a balanced program schedule, especially with music and entertainment and so on. So we are very happy that this is a community radio, and as a college we can is part of our social responsibility also. We can mobilize people, and people really feel that it's a radio. They want to share their experience and also. And in future also, what we are also thinking in the line of having more participation, social empowerment, where they can come together and share their issues.